Good morning, class. Our lesson for today is about the parts of the sewing machine. Sewing machine is a machine that used to stitch the fabric and other materials. The first part is the balance wheel. Balance wheel sets the mechanisms in motion. Bobbin winder near the balance wheel. Next is the upper tension. It loosens or tightens the stitch. Needle bar holds the needle. Of course, the needle. Throat plate, it's covered the feed dog. Feed dog, it's like a teeth that moves the fabric. Feed dog, it is like a teeth. It moves the fabric while sewing. Presser foot, it is used to hold materials in place of sewing. Next, throat plate, presser foot, upper tension, feed dog, like a teeth, and lastly, at the back of the upper tension is the presser bar lifter.